Alright, if your team is sharing a lot of files, yeah, things can get messy fast. In this full guide, I'll show you how to manage shared drives in Google Drive for Teams, so everything stays organized, secure, and easy to access. First, go to Google Drive, click Shared Drives, then hit New to create a shared drive for your team. Give it a clear name like your project or team name so everyone knows its purpose. Now click Manage Members and add your team using their email addresses. Assign roles like Viewer, Contributor, Content Manager, or Manager depending on what access each person needs. Create folders inside the shared drive to keep files organized, like reports, designs, or meetings. Use consistent file and folder names so everyone can find things quickly. Limit editing rights where needed to prevent accidental changes or deletions. You can check activity to see who uploaded, edited, or deleted files. Regularly review and clean up files, remove duplicates, and archive old content. And yeah, that's how you manage shared drives for teams. Set it up right, and your team stays organized, productive, and stress-free.